Are you terrified of seeking dental work due to bad experiences in the past? Have you allowed your teeth to get worse due to fear? Do you want to get your mouth back to full health to allow you to have a confident and long-lasting smile? The Dental Suite are dental phobia certified, and our clinicians have a wealth of experience in dealing with nervous patients, having treated thousands of anxious patients with fantastic results. We'll put you in touch with our past nervous patients who are happy to speak about their experiences. We will always work at your own pace, and you can be confident that you will be in total control. By raising your hand, we will stop immediately, even if it's simply for you to have a little break. And for those who really want to know very little, we offer sedation options which will include a state of deep relaxation and a feeling of detachment from the procedure. This will allow for temporary, partial or full memory loss during the procedure. Meanwhile, time will pass quickly and you will not recall much of the process. We even offer special techniques for those that are needle phobic. We offer flexible payment options, allowing you to pay as you go along or spread the cost from 1 to 5 years. The Dental Suite has been helping patients from in and around Loughborough, Leicester and Nottingham for over 8 years. Our team at the Dental Suite are here to help you achieve a healthy, functional and confident smile. We offer membership plans, flexible payment plans and state-of-the-art technology, the best patient care. And all from an award-winning practice. Simply get in touch with our friendly team to discuss how we can help.